I was just gonna mix my own gas, but I got another year of warranty by buying this stuff pre-mixed. Plus it's got a long shelf life. I think it's 5 years if the container's not open, and then I think it's 2 years if it's been opened. There's only a little bit left in there. All right, so we're gonna be taking care of some trees here. I think this is a white ash. I think I have some green ash too, but when I first started cutting this thing up, for some reason I thought it was elm. I don't know why I thought that. I thought those were pine trees. Those are actually all spruce trees. I got pine trees over here. I got like 4 of them, I think. Eastern white pine, but we're gonna go ahead and try to take care of this. I just tried to pull out that spruce tree. It's still hooked on to the stump over there. That's probably 10 feet up. And then I also tried to pull that out, but all I did was do a wheelie here. And I teared up the grass pretty bad over there. So I'm gonna cut up some stuff first. I think I'm gonna start off with this. This spruce tree has poison ivy vine growing up it. So as you can see, that's where it broke off at. It's this one. All that vegetation is poison ivy. Well, I don't want to deal with it. All right, so I'm probably gonna have to come up here in this situation and try to sever some of those fibers so then I can pull it down a little bit safer. I don't need all that falling on me. I want it on the ground so then I can cut it up. Ooh. Split right in half. Well, wish me luck. Maybe don't do this at home. Notice there's a little casualty over here. It was already cracked to begin with, so that doesn't surprise me. I'll just bend it back, re-weld it, probably reinforce it too. But not bad after me getting mad and slamming into it a few times with the bucket. But I got it tied on here, and I think we'll pull it out a little bit further so I can kind of get it out of where it's at. I didn't want to pull it out too far because it's starting to really tear up the dirt here, but you know, the tractor was leaving a lot of marks too. I'm just glad I got that out. That thing's been hanging here for a while, just being a pain. But that is a big ash tree. I'd say that's, you know, once you get all the rotten stuff out. I wonder if there's the emerald ash borer. I can't tell. They come out D-shaped holes. It's making me wonder if that's what all these holes are. There's definitely a lot of bug life on this, but I'll cut it. Probably have to cut it here and cut it here because it's kind of going up. There and there is a nice straight section, and from there this way be real nice and straight. So I'll probably cut this right here. I'll throw this end over on my log pile, but not too shabby. Oh well, grass will grow back, but the tree on the other hand won't be as lucky. It's not gonna it won't be grown back. gonna look pretty cool, I think. Go ahead and cut this off. That is probably too big for my chainsaw, but we'll make it happen. All right, look how that thing grew. So the heart is right here. So that's just such an odd shape. It grew that much. I mean, that doesn't even look like it's that old. So based off of counting the rings, it looks like it's 65 years old. That is a lot older than I am. It looks like there's two hearts. You see that? There's one there and there's one there. Almost like it. Yeah, there and there. Almost like it was two trees that kind of formed into one. It's a little bit weird. You know, just looking at where I was pushing it with the bucket, you can see where there's an emerald ash borer. So I think I salvaged enough of this chunk here. Looks like it's got a crack going through it, so this one will be interesting to see when I mill it up. But it was kind of funny, as I was cutting it up, I watched a mouse just run out of there. He made a home out of this and he just took off and went that way. He's probably gonna end up in my house and shitting everywhere. This is probably going to be one of the heaviest logs I've picked up with this tractor. We'll see how she does. It's a heavy girl! Hey. Found drain tile. Huh. I didn't know I had that over here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed me cleaning up that ash tree. Still got some more stuff to clean up. We got quite a bit of lumber out of that, so pretty happy. Minimal damage. I'm gonna have to re-weld this, but it's not a big deal at all. I'd rather have this break than something else, you know what I mean? All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in the next one.